Hey everyone! Now I'll show you how to extend the timeline and change the FPS. As you can see, by default the timeline is only 30 seconds long and it has 1800 frames. So if you want to change the length of the timeline or decrease the FPS of your project, you need to open Project Settings. You can find this window on the Edit tab, or you can press Ctrl-Shift-P. Here they are. This one is for changing the FPS, and this one is for setting the length of the timeline. Let's say we want to set 30 FPS and 5000 frames. Now the length of the timeline will be 2 minutes and 46 seconds. If you need more, open Project Settings again and set the desired values. But keep in mind that there's a limit. You can't make an infinite timeline. The limit for iClone 8 is 15 minutes. So even if you write all 9s, the length will still be limited to 15 minutes.